So, guys, after a long time, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to open an AutoCAD backup file. So, it is a really simple process, and I'm going to just tell you what to do. It's just three or four simple steps that you have to follow. So first of all, go to this option on the top left of open, then find where your backup file is being stored. That you can de- default folders are like go to this PC, then go to your C drive, go to Autodesk, and go to WI. And here are the all your backup files which you have allowed to be backed up and which you have saved as backup file will appear right over here. So but these files are not dwg files, so you cannot just open it. There is a simple four steps to open it, which is right over here. I'm just telling it because I don't store any backup file, and if you open any backup file, then the original file of it gets deleted because the backup file now becomes the main file. So I cannot show you how to do it right now on the screen, but I'll tell you how to do it. So first of all, find the backup file in the ex- explorer or wherever your file is getting stored. Then right click the file and select rename. Enter the new name with .dwg file extension. Remember, the backup file will be in the extension of BAK that you have to change to DWG, and then just double click on it and open. It is that simple. So that was all for the video. If you found the video helpful, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.